This video gives a general overview of high-leverage daily exit ticket strategies you can use in your classroom. Teachers who use ExitTicket often begin class with a review of yesterday's content, checking to see if students still remember what they learned the day before. Sometimes this means a short mini-quiz on the homework instead of collecting and grading it. With this whole class real-time data, the teacher can begin to check in one-on-one with students he or she knows are struggling or doing well.
Feels pretty solid about it, but there's a big chunk of the class that's getting one or the other wrong. So we need to dive in fast through this. You're like,
as a whole class, the teacher can then use this data to analyze common errors.
So Dante, can you rephrase what he said? What mistake did you have to make to choose A?
In the middle of class, teachers who use ExitTicket can also check for understanding real-time.
Log in. You're going to answer question number 1 just independently by yourself.
Using this data, teachers can get a sense of whether their students are learning the material, and it encourages students to ask clarifying questions as they're checking their own understanding. Through a whole group analysis of the data, teachers can then call on individual students to explain their answer.
Wonderful. Perfect explanation.
A second mid-class strategy is to put students into groups and have them check their own understanding as they go. The immediate feedback that ExitTicket provides gives a structure for working together, collaboratively improving their understanding. This strategy also works well to integrate other online technologies like Google Docs or Khan Academy. At the end of class, teachers can give an ExitTicket to collect data about how well their students mastered that day's objective. Because the data is collected and tabulated real-time, an overall percentage shows how well the class and individuals are doing. The teacher, meanwhile, can pull aside small groups for intervention, or facilitate a whole group discussion about right and wrong answers. This gives the class one last opportunity to clarify any misconceptions, and publicly track ExitTicket data to celebrate classes that did well. If you have questions, contact support or go to exitticket.org.